In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow multiple responses on Google Forms. Google Forms is an incredibly versatile tool, whether you're setting up a survey for your company, organizing an event, or managing a classroom. Today, I'll walk you through allowing respondents to submit more than one response to your form. First, you need to navigate to Google Forms, which can be done by signing into your Google account and going to forms.google.com. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Forms homepage. Here, you can either create a new form or select an existing one. If you wish to allow multiple responses on an existing form, ensure you open that specific form. Once you have your form open, you should head to the settings icon, which looks like a gear, located at the top right corner of the form. Click it, and this will open a new window that contains various settings for your form, such as general settings, presentation, and quizzes. Ensure you're on the General Settings tab. This is where you'll make the necessary adjustments for multiple submissions. In the General Settings, you'll notice an option that says Limit to one response. If this box is checked, respondents can only submit one response. Uncheck this box to allow multiple responses. It's as simple as that. By unchecking the box, you're allowing each user to submit the form more than once. Next, if you want to provide a more streamlined experience for users who may fill out your form multiple times, consider whether they should remain logged in. If you want to collect email addresses automatically, you can check the Collect Email Addresses box. This feature is typically useful when you need to track who is responding. However, if privacy is a concern, or if email collection isn't necessary for your form, you may leave this option unchecked. Once you've made your adjustments, don't forget to save your settings. You can do this by clicking the Save button at the bottom right corner of the settings window. After saving, your form will be configured to allow multiple submissions. And that's it. You've set your Google form to accept multiple responses. This simple change can make a huge difference, especially if you're gathering ongoing feedback or running an event over a period of time. It ensures that participants can contribute as many times as needed, and it maximizes the data you can gather. Thank you for joining me today as we explored how to allow multiple responses in Google Forms. I hope you found this guide useful. If you did, consider liking this video and subscribing for more Google Form tips and tech tutorials. If you have any questions or experience any issues, feel free to drop a comment below. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy form building.